My name is Peter, and come back. I have been several days without make videos. I found my program had to get many failures, but that doesn't matter. I just practice my English. Okay, but today I found a community and my video. I'm very happy. So I will make a video again. Today I will talk about a hot topic, ChatGPT, a fantastic text model AI. It does not just chat with you or help you deal with some articles. He can write some helpful scripts or um, programs for you. And several days ago, I wanted to bench insert code on top of a file, which type is HTML, but the files are in more than 1,900 folders. If I write a Python program, maybe it cost half an hour. So I thought of ChatGPT. I heard that it can do many complex things. Okay, as you see in these folders of more than 1900 folders, and in every directory, I will insert a code on the top of file. So I ask for ChatGPT. Yes. Okay. As you can see, the ChatGPT have given me the code. Maybe I will try it again. I will try it again. Okay. The new script is great. I put it here, and my code. I think our code is okay. Your code here. Okay, I think it's good. Now I will open this directory and click right click and open in terminal. It's open Windows PowerShell. Again, I will run this bench. Okay.
Later.
Everything is done. So I open folder that we get this code. is not we need. Problem state is not a fact. So I write my code here. Okay, I will do it again. Yes, you can see that insert me is on the top. The ChatGPT is very powerful. Mm, Although it's not a very perfect, but you can change its code. It's okay. Change this script. So I will stop today's video. Mm, So I want to see if you want to mm, you want if you want to charge GPT to help you do something. mm, I think it can help you, but maybe not very perfect. You may change your code. It's okay. Okay, I will stop. Thank you, guys. Bye.